I'm going to Seattle next week for Sam Edelman.
Because people don't hate you for no reason.
I don't know a lot of stuff about Nigeria because my mom passed away when I was a baby. I'm flying 5 hours just to work 2 hours.
I just didn't know what you love.
Feeling insecure. Did not ask, but I tried to know, and I had some products, just I did not nurture any lines. It's always a reminder that God will bring me wherever He wants me to be.
We're about to begin our initial descent into Seattle. Weather in Seattle, 53 degrees with cloudy skies, winds out of the south.
One thing about Europe, at least in France, oh, okay, but hold on, I need to pee. That's how much I needed to pee. Okay, welcome to my crib, clearly mine, hence the mess. Yeah, I have a kitchen. I have a living room. Oh my, are you kidding me? Wait, that's so cool. Alcohol. Yeah. Oh my, we have the guest bathroom here. A guest bathroom, you have heard me right. Dining place, and hold on first. Here, which is very far from the entrance, I guess the coat closet. And the bedroom. I need to open all the curtains. Oh, the view! Oh my gosh, I just had a glimpse. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. Around there is the market I was supposed to go. The lady downstairs told me that it closes at 4, which is in 30 minutes. So maybe I'll go tomorrow. Because I need to film a self-tape for ELF, and work is the priority over fun. But let's continue the tour. And then look at my closet. Yes, my walk-in closet. What's in there? Are you kidding? I have a washing machine in a hotel. All right. Eucalyptus, for real? This is so far from the entrance, I had to run. Actually run. Why would you want to hide such a view? I never know quite what to do for a personality review. It's always just smile. I guess it's just be myself, talk about stuff. Sometimes I say, oh, I might mention it because I did not need the whole top, but it was a set with a cropped jumper and shorts, but I never actually wore it because the top was too cropped for my liking after a couple of years of owning it. And the shorts were too short for my wearing. Good, right? Let's get this self-tape. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna make this crop jumper longer by unraveling the yarn from the shorts and attaching it here. So as much as I'm not the originator from that jumper, I am its extender. And I'm proud of it because you would never tell, right? Guys, which one is the washer and which one is the dryer? Okay, I think this is the washer. Usually would air dry it, but while I'm gonna be away, might as well. Do you hear that? It was a time. Okay. I am spending some time going roaming the street of Seattle. I wanted to go to the marketplace, but the lady told me it would close soon. So I'm just going up north and wondering I go and check up the Space Needle and sit in front of the water. Seattle, 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 you got a place in my heart already, with all your pine trees and your trees that are oh so hilly. Seattle, 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 you give me a penthouse at the Thompson Hotel. Seattle, Seattle, Seattle. But I should also mention my team, Sam Edelman, who brought me here, with whom I do the shrooms always, more than 4 times in a year. Here I'm again, here I'm again. Excited. I don't actually have a budget for spending fun money, but I might make it up a budget for spending fun money. Because apart from the stuff that are reimbursed by Sam Edelman, like dinners and stuff, I didn't plan to spend any money, but we'll see. Maybe I will.
That's famous as a shop. Now I
Okay.
want to be really clear that there is sugar in this, but it's not added sugar. It's just natural fructose that's in oranges. Now, decide you want to buy some. It's all on the shelf.
Oh, it is sweet.
Excuse me, do you sell pocket mirrors by any chance?
Thank you so much. All the tingles. Oh, would you look at that? They're expensive. These are coming with me home. theory as to why they're great people sometimes. If you're just staying the one night, your stay might be an opportunity to test a room that hasn't been used in a while. Check that everything is alright, and give an opportunity for housekeeping to do a thorough clean as well. And as much as they can do it, they can clean still without you. Giving an upgrade to a customer is still a way to retain their loyalty, because it's definitely working with me. It makes sense, right? Like making sure that everything is working fine. A guest that did not actually pay for it can get to stay there. They'll be grateful for their stay, even if some stuff don't go well. But if they don't go well, they will report it so that management can fix it for the next guest who will actually pay the fee. I think so.
Hi, Sarah. Sam. Love you.
I think we just.
So I don't know anything about it at all, and I'm rediscovering now with the food and the culture and everything.
So you want to try Nigerian food?
I have tried before egusi soup and fufu, of course, but then I haven't tried more than that. I don't think so. I
You
need
have
a
tried the jollof rice?
jollof rice. I have, but not from Nigeria, from other countries.
Try Nigerian jollof.
I should try Nigerian jollof.
It's the best. He always tell me Ghana jollof is best.
I know there's a war there happening between the two.
It's not only Nigeria and Ghana, even
Okay.
Senegal.
Yeah.
buy something, whenever I fancy something, I always wait before I go on and buy it to know if I really want it. And if it's more than $100, I will not buy it on spot for sure. Even if I can buy it now, I will not. I want to save for it. I want to make sure that I give value to the money that I earn. That's why I don't go to thrift shops, because you know there's no return, you know it's a one-time purchase that you can't change your mind about, and then you have this fight or flight reaction where I panicked. I didn't panic, but I got frustrated because I didn't know if I wanted it or not, because I was so ready to leave it, and then I was thinking, oh, if I go back home and then I regret it, because I have regretted sometimes not buying something because I was thinking it was looking really good, but at the end of the day it's just clothing, like it doesn't matter. And I just got paid too. I decided to buy both of them. It was so pricey. But then I think, oh, I'm a model, I gotta be fashionable, blah blah blah. It's silly. Oh well. We'll see in 2 months, or rather 6 months if I regret it, if I keep wearing them a lot.